Hi, I'm Dr. Murray Pratt. This is my step-by-step guide for starting your Invisalign journey. First, find a practice with a dentist who's been doing Invisalign for a long time, got the expertise to your case. You want to book in for a consultation where we'll take scans of your teeth, check that the teeth are healthy and that it's the right treatment for you. We can then show you a same-day simulation of your future smile using the simulated software. This is great because you can see the before and afters, same day as consultation. Then take a deposit, we submit your records for the full digital ClinCheck planning, then get you back about a week later, show you the digital plan, and then get your aligners manufactured. We then fit the first aligner about 1 week later. So this is a key time to get into your treatment. Shortly after this, we'll fit what are called the attachments, little bumps on the teeth which help them move. And then shortly after that, we may do some adjustments and give you more aligners. So this is how you start your Invisalign process. Depending on the case, it can be between 3, 6, 9, 12 months, sometimes longer, but this is the way you get started. If you enjoyed that video, then give us a like, follow our page, and book in for a free consultation.